Okay, so today we're going to draw a turkey. You need a white sheet of paper and a black marker to start. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a circle right about here in the middle of the paper. This is going to be the turkey's head. And then at the bottom, I leave a little space open like this. And then right here, we're going to do a V shape like that. And then kind of like an upside down U on top of it like this. And then we could connect the circle here. All right, and then right next to this is his beak, we're gonna do another circle here. Another circle here. And then we'll give him some eyes like that. Maybe some eyebrows. Okay. And now we're going to bring down another circle like this. Almost looks like a snowman. But we're going to change that by giving him some feathers. And all we're going to do is we're going to come out here to the side like this. And then come right back. Let's do one on this side. Right back. And then we could keep going all the way around. Out and back. And back. All right. Now, some feet. So we're going to bring a line down here, a little one right next to it, line here, one next to it, and then I like to come out like this, and back in, out, in, out, in. Same thing on this side, out and in. And one last thing, we need some more feathers behind him. So we're gonna come right about here to this feather, come down like a U shape and back up. Another one here, back up, here, back up, and last one. All right, that's it. Time to color.